something weird happened here. We are missing some columns. And that's because the year 2021 does not have expenses for other months other than February and April. Let's clear that. Same thing happens with some of the family members. For example, if I click Mark, we see there's a particular month, January, where Mark doesn't have any expenses. Let's clear the filters. It's kind of awkward to see our columns to disappear, but there's also a way to fix that. So let's click in the months field, right click, field setting, and here, layout and print, show items with no data. So if there is an item, in this case, a month, that has no data for a particular filter selection, we still want the pivot table to show that month. So we click here. Let me put this bigger for you. Show items with no data. Okay, that's the option we want to choose. And it's not in pivot table properties. It's in the field settings for the month. Okay, so let's test now. If I click on Mark, I see that January month is totally empty, but the column doesn't disappear anymore. Okay, same thing. Let's try year 2021. If I clear the family members and I see the year 2021, there was before only February and April columns showing, and now I see all the columns, even if they are empty, no data for those months, the month item is still displayed. So that makes our report a little bit, I think it makes more sense, less confusing for the user.